On question 18, our first step is to take the logarithm of both sides. And then our next step is to bring down this exponent using the power rule. Next, I'm solving for x, so I want to divide both sides by log of 2. And I no longer need the parentheses. Next, I want to subtract 1 from both sides. And then divide both sides by -1. So x is going to equal a positive 1 minus log of 3 over log of 2. So the -1 became positive, and the fraction with the logarithms became negative. So this would be our exact answer. And then if you type this into the calculator to get the decimal approximation, you should get -0.585.